Hi, today we would like to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard on your Android 13 system. So that's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you want to either tap on this gear settings in order for you to be forwarded straight into the Gboard settings, or you can also launch the general settings app. Next, enter the system category that is located at the very bottom. Then languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, open the preferences category, and in here simply turn on the number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will essentially mean that you have successfully added the numbers to your keyboard on the system. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.